Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to a game changer for outdoor lovers, homeowners, gardeners, and honestly anyone who's tired of hauling heavy loads. Meet the BougeRV Electric Utility Wagon, the smart way to carry your gear, groceries, firewood, or yard tools without breaking a sweat, of course. Alright, so this box holds the new BougeRV Electric Utility Wagon. Now, I've tested other wagons ranging from your basic red folding wagons that you could easily pick up from your big box stores to larger but compact folding ones to other electric utility wagons. And for someone who lived in an apartment complex, a folding utility wagon is a must. I mean, I could bring up everything that I purchased from Costco up to our unit in one go, or large Amazon deliveries from our mailroom. Not only that, even if you lived in a house, a wagon will come very handy for yard work. You know, you could load up those large garden soil bags, mulch, bricks, tools, all in one load and move heavy items around the house. It's also great for those picnic days and camping because sometimes the actual campsite could be a little away from where you could actually park your car. So to bring all your camping gear like the cooler, tent, firewood, chairs, and everything else in between in one load is not only time saving, but less fatiguing. And with these electric ones, it's even less of a work to haul all your gear or items around. And this was especially true for me because our apartment unit was far away from our parking space and the hallway had carpet. So, it took a bit of a work to pull a non-electric wagon across our apartment complex when it was fully loaded. But with the introduction of the electric wagons, it was a game changer. And when BougeRV asked me if I wanted to test out their electric wagon, I was a bit hesitant to show another electric wagon on my channel because I already did one before. But after looking at it, it had some upgrades that I wish my current electric wagon had. So I said yes and arrived today. So first things first, let's unbox it and see what's all included. And we'll briefly talk about the specs, test out the wagon, and I'll have my final thoughts. So in the box, everything is packed very nicely and well protected. We got lots of styrofoams here to protect it from shipping. Look at this, they even put a piece of wood in between the bracket and the wheels to protect it from shipping. Wow, attention to detail, I like that. We have the wagon that is mostly assembled, 2 wide multi-terrain wheels, a battery, handle with the controller with tools, and the instruction manual, and it'll come with 2-year tech support. And by looking at the manual, we need to do some basic assembling. So first, unfold the wagon. Install the wheels by aligning the wheel bearings to the designated holes. Connect the wires together and connect the handles to the bar. And slide the screw into the holes and tighten them firmly. So now that it's assembled, the overall dimensions are, when it's folded, it's around 10 inches by 24 inches by 24 inches. And when it's unfolded, it's around 40 inches long by 24 inches wide by 25 inches tall. Its rated storage capacity is 180 liters or 190 quarts, and it can expand to 250 liters or 264 quarts by effortlessly bringing down the tailgate. But if you're like me, you could stack up your gear to carry even more than that. And with the strong carbon steel frame construction, the wagon is able to support up to 441 pounds, which is a lot of weight. The wagon is powered by 2 strong 250 motors that's powering the rear wheels, and it can climb slopes up to 30 degrees, and it could tackle any terrain with ease with these 4-inch wide all-terrain wheels, giving the wagon stability and ability to move on pretty much any surface. The battery is a 133 watt-hour battery that can power up to 12 miles on one charge. And charging the battery is very simple. Plug it into USB-C port and it'll take about 2.5 hours to fully charge it. And like I mentioned before, you'll get up to 12 miles on a single charge, so you're good for an entire day depending on the load. Everything is constructed well using high quality parts, and most importantly, there are no weird harsh chemical smells from the fabric. Now to use the wagon, simply slide the battery in, pull the handle up until it locks, and press the power button on the handle. And to power the wheels, bring down the handle to about 10 degrees and turn the leveler forward to go forward or backwards to move backwards. Yes, it could also do reverse, which my current electric wagon doesn't. It has 3 speed gear selector. First gear at speeds around 1.8 miles per hour. Second gear at speeds around 2.5 miles per hour. And third gear at speeds around 3 miles per hour. So depending on your walking pace, you can select the gear that fits you. And there are 4 different ways to stop the wagon. Electronic brakes by pulling the brake leveler on the handle. Inductive brakes, so it'll stop the wagon if the handle reaches dangerous angle. And automatic hand braking, so as soon as you release the handle, it'll stop automatically. And lastly, there are manual foot brakes, so it's very safe to use. And what's cool about this controller is that it has ambidextrous controller, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, anyone can easily control the wagon. Now that's a pretty neat feature because sometimes I pull my left hand too. Now if it runs out of battery, you could just roll it like a regular wagon. And I don't know what type of motor they're using. Maybe it's brushless because it's absolutely silent. I can't hear the motor running. Unlike my other one, it was really loud to run. Now to test the capacity and weight limit, I'm going to load some camping gear, starting with the fridge. Let's get the BougeRV CR Pro 20 in here. This is a 5-pound propane tank. Let's put this REI bag on top of that. What else? Throw in my tent. And if we need more space, press the button and release the tailgate. And you could load a lot more in here. Let's put a water heater, sleeping pad, some tables, a cot, camping table, camping chair, I don't know, sleeping bag. Let's throw that here. Let me rearrange this. And what's cool thing about this tailgate is that I could actually adjust the angle like that, so it won't just fall off. It has actually has some leverage. Oh, for the heck of it, let me just put a 5-gallon water jug in here. Look at that. And if you had a bungee cord, you could probably strap it here. I mean, you could stack up more and just have a bungee cord that goes around on each corners, and you could stack it up to this high, as high as you want, because it's, the weight capacity is 440 pounds, which is a lot, so yeah, this is awesome. So whether you're going downhill, uphill, reversing, or crossing bumpy terrain, this wagon will help pull or push the weight, so you're not straining to haul all your gear or heavy items. And these thick, rugged wheels makes rolling on gravel, grass, or dirt trail with ease. The battery has enough capacity to last throughout your entire adventure, and when you're done with it, it folds up very nicely, so it's easy to store. And another scenario that I just thought of is it'll come useful for parents. Say you're at the park, zoo, or farmer's market. The kids are tired, so you're holding them, you're carrying their bag, their water bottles, and everything else. I just had a vivid image of myself a couple of days ago. Now imagining tossing all that in here, plus your kiddo, and cruising back to your car with one hand free so you could have that well-deserved cold drink. Now, I know what you're thinking. You would put a child in an electric wagon? I mean, is it safe? Well, yes. You got the speed controller to lower the speed and auto braking, so I think it's safe to use around the kiddos too. So whether you're a parent, gardener, weekend warrior, someone who lives in an apartment complex, or just someone who hates heavy lifting, or if you're like me, you value your time, your back, and frankly, you like gadgets that has a cool factor and makes life easier, well, this BougeRV electric wagon will do just about everything you throw at it. It's one of those things, why didn't I get this sooner product? And it's well built, large capacity, got big wheels, all the safety features, absolute silent operation, and best of all, it's in black color, which is my favorite color. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link to this wagon in the video description for more details, pricing, and specs. And if I find any discount codes, I'll also leave that in the video description so you can save some of your hard-earned money. Also, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about electric wagons. Can you see yourself using it? Is it too much tech for you? Yeah, let us know in the comment section. So that's all I have for you guys today. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And as always, thank you all for tuning in today. And until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video.